Hello everyone, this is Venugopal, lecturer in chemistry. Right, sir? In this IUPAC nomenclature, lecture number 3. Okay, lecture number 3. So, దీనికోసం వెళ్ళినప్పుడు here we have hydrocarbons, organic compounds classified into hydrocarbons. So, which are called hydrocarbons? అంటే which contains hydrogen and carbon. Which contains hydrogen and carbon. Then these are said to be what? Hydrocarbons. The organic compounds which contains hydrogen and carbon, then they are said to be what? Hydrocarbons. These are again classified into two types. So saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. So which are called saturated hydrocarbons anante in between carbon and carbon there is presence only single bond. So all singly bonded uh, compounds which are called saturated hydrocarbons అని చెప్తా. ఓకేనా? సో those are called alkanes. Those are called alkanes. కార్బన్ సింగిల్ బాండ్ కార్బన్ ఉంది అని అంటే కనుక ఏమనాలి అప్పుడు? We should name as alkane. Okay, what is the general formula for the alkanes? CnH2n plus 2 is the formula. Okay, Nana? Right. Then unsaturated hydrocarbons. So unsaturated hydrocarbons అంటే ఏమంటున్నాం అని అంటే those are containing multiple bonds. For example, carbon double bond carbon or carbon triple bond carbon containing substances which are called what? Unsaturated hydrocarbons. So two or more covalent bonds formation takes place in water. So these are known as alkenes. Okay, if it is a double bond between any two carbons, then those are the said to be what? Alkenes. Carbon triple bond carbon containing elements, so substances which are called alkynes. Okay, so what is the general formula for the alkenes? That is CnH2n is the general formula. Alage what about alkynes? That is CnH2n minus 2. CnH2n minus 2. Okay, Nana? చూద్దాం. For example, first one alkanes already we discussed. Then second one alkenes. So alkenes, what is the general formula, sir? CnH2n, where n is called number of carbons. Then if it is n is equal to 2, n is equal to 2, ఎందుకంటే మినిమం 2 కార్బన్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడే కదా డబుల్ బాండ్ అనేది ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ దెమ్ అనేది ఉండేది. సో దట్స్ వై మినిమం 2 కార్బన్స్ నుంచి తీసుకుంటున్నాను. సో n is equal to 2, then what is the formula, sir? C2H2 into 2. So that is equal to C2, 2 to the 4. So 2 carbons and 4 hydrogens గా చెప్తా. Then what is the calculus structure అని అంటే కార్బన్ బాండ్ కార్బన్. సో C2H4 లో నంబర్ ఆఫ్ కార్బన్స్ ఏంటండి? 2. నంబర్ ఆఫ్ హైడ్రోజన్స్ 4. ఓకేనా? సో C2H4 అనే ఫార్ములా అనేది ఎలా వచ్చింది? బై యూజింగ్ CnH2n ఫార్ములా. CnH2n అనేది దేనికి? ఫర్ ఆల్కేన్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ ఆల్కేన్స్ విచ్ కంటైన్స్ అట్లీస్ట్ 1 కార్బన్ డబుల్ బాండ్ కార్బన్. ఓకేనా? సో ఆల్కేన్స్ అని వేటిని అనాలి? అట్లీస్ట్ 1 C డబుల్ బాండ్ C ఉంటే, 1 డబుల్ బాండ్ ఉంటే, ఓకేనా, అప్పుడు మనం ఏమనాలి? ఆల్కేన్స్ అని చెప్పాలి. ఆల్కేన్స్ ఉన్న ఫార్ములా CnH2n. సో దెన్ we will get C2H4. సో టోటల్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ కార్బన్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2, 1 and 2. ఓకే, సో కంపల్సరీగా ఇక్కడ ఏముండాలి? దేర్ ఈస్ ఎ ప్రెసెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ పై బాండ్, దట్ ఈస్ డబుల్ బాండెడ్ again ఉండాలి, ఎగ్జిస్ట్ కావాలి. దెన్ అవర్ కార్బన్ ఈస్ టెట్రావెలెన్సీ అంటే ఏంటండి? ఇట్ షుడ్ కంటైన్ 4 బాండ్స్ కంపల్సరీ. అంతేనే కదా? కంపల్సరీగా ఉండాల్సింది ఏంటి? 4 బాండ్స్ అనేది ఉండాలి. సో దానికోసము ఏం చేస్తున్నామనంటే ఎవ్రీ టైం కార్బన్ని మనము చూస్తూ ఉంటాం. So this carbon containing how many number of bonds? 1, 2. But carbon valency is 4. So we should complete the remaining 2 bonds with the 2 hydrogens. Ante kada? With the 2 hydrogens. Bond hydrogen, bond hydrogen. Clear? Like that, here also we have 2 hydrogens. So what is the formula, sir? CH2, because carbon containing 2 hydrogens, double bond which is present in between 2 carbons, and CH2. So what is the formula, sir? That is alkene is the general formula, where alk is called root word. Alk is called root word. Number of carbons equal to 2 carbons kadandi. So for 2 carbons we have, what is the root word? That is eth is the root word. So that's why here we have alk place lo manam em rastam, sir? Eth. And ene, which is known as a primary suffix. Primary suffix ga cheptam. So that is known as ethene, collectively called as ethene. Okay. Then if n is equal to 3, so what is the formula, sir? C3H2 into 3, C3H2 3 is a 6, C3H6 ga rasta. So number of carbons which are available, that is equal to 3. Number of hydrogens, 6. Okay, then how we can write? Carbon bond, carbon bond, carbon. So total number of carbons ennandi? 1, 2, 3. So this is the formula for the alkene. So in eppudu alkene anali, it should contain carbon double bond carbon. So that's why there is a presence of one double bond in between any 2 carbons. Ippudikaithe any 2 carbons madhyalo pettam. So what about first carbon? Ikkadiki vachinappudu pratisari ide analysis chestam. So what is the valency of the carbon? What is the valency of the carbon? That is equal to 4. So number of bonds ikkada enni available ga unnai ani chuskuntam. Remaining bonds ni hydrogens tho fill up chestam. That's it. So what about first carbon? First carbon contains 1, 2 bonds. So remaining how many number of bonds are? Carbon bond, hydrogen, carbon bond, hydrogen. 2 bonds ni 2 hydrogens tho fill up chestam. Okay. What about second carbon? Second carbon contains how many number of bonds? 1, 2, 3. Right? 1, 2, 3 bonds. Remaining only 1 bond which is represented with 1 hydrogen. Okay. What about third carbon? Third carbon contains how many number of bonds? That is equal to 1. Okay, required 3 more. So 3 more with 3 hydrogens. Carbon bond hydrogen. 3 bonds with 3 hydrogens. Okay. Then we can write our condensed formula like this manner: CH3, CH double bond, CH3, CH double bond, CH2. So total number of carbons ennandi? 1, 2, 3. So for 3 carbons, what is the root word? That will be prop will be the root word. So we can write like this: prop and ene is the primary suffix. Like that, we can calculate like this. For n is equal to 4, what is the formula? C4H2 into 4, that is equal to C4H8. C4H8. So we can write directly 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. So and there is a should presence of 1 double bond between any 2 carbons. So this carbon contains how many number of bonds, amma? 1, 2. So what is the valency of the carbon? Again 4. So that's why we should fill up with 2 hydrogens, CH2. And what about second carbon? Second carbon contains how many number of bonds? 1, 2, 3. Remaining only 1 with 1 hydrogen. Okay. And third carbon contains how many number of bonds? 1, 2. So that's why we should fill up with 2 hydrogens. Then what about fourth carbon? Fourth carbon contains only one single bond and remaining 3 with 3 hydrogens. So what is the name of the compound, sir? Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. Sir, for 4 carbons, what is the root word? But is the root word. So that's why butene. Okay, which is present at first carbon kabatti 1 butene ga cheptam. So like that, here we have third concept, that is known as alkynes. So what is the general formula? CnH2n minus 2. CnH2n minus 2. So this is also coming from n is equal to 2 only. By substituting n is equal to 2, C2H2 into 2 minus 2. So C2, 2 to the 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. C2H2. So we have how many number of carbons, Andy? 2 carbons and 2 hydrogens. So write like this: carbon single bond carbon. So C2H2 coming from the CnH2n minus 2. CnH2n, which is known as alkyne. So H2n minus 2 అనే ఫార్ములా దేనికండి? Alkynes ki. So which is called alkyne, which contains at least one triple bond. So that's why here we have one triple bond between any two carbons. Then what about number of carbons around the carbon? అంటే చూసుకోవాలి, number of bonds around the carbon. 1, 2, 3 bonds. ఇంకా రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఏంటండి? ఓన్లీ 1. సో దట్ ఈస్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ with 1 hydrogen. అలాగే this carbon also containing how many number of bonds? 1, 2, 3. So that's why 1 hydrogen. So right, sir? So C contains hydrogen, CH, triple bond CH. So total number of carbons ఏంటండి? 1, 2. So for 2 carbons, what is the root word? Eth is the root word. So here we have eth and triple bond containing carbons. Ine. Ine is the primary suffix. So ethine. Okay. అలాగే if it is n is equal to 3, if it is n equal to 3, so what is the formula, sir? C3H, 2 into 3 minus 2. So C3, 2 3 6 minus 2, H4, C3H4. Then we can write carbon bond, carbon bond, carbon. So for alkynes, it should contain at least one carbon triple bond carbon. So 1, 2, 3. So what about first carbon? How many number of bonds are there? 1, 2, 3 bonds. So remaining how many number of bonds, amma? Only one bond with one hydrogen. Okay. So what about second carbon? Second carbon contains how many number of bonds? Anante 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the valency of the carbon? Tetravalency. So ikkada kuda number of bonds enni unnayamma? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why which is a satisfied. Then what about third carbon? Third carbon contains how many number of bonds? Only one bond. So that's why requirement of bonds, that will be 3 bonds with 3 hydrogens. So carbon bond hydrogen, carbon bond hydrogen, carbon bond hydrogen. Then we can write simply carbon with 3 hydrogens, CH3, carbon and carbon bond hydrogen. So what is the name of the compound, sir? That is contains how many number of bonds? Number of carbons equal to 3. So what is the root word for the 3 carbons, that will be prop. So that's why prop and ine is the suffix for the carbon, triple bond carbon. Then N is equal to 4. We have C4H2 into 4 minus 2. So that is equal to C4, 2 4s are 8 minus 2, H6. So total number of bonds in number 1, 2, 3, 4. So alkynes and ante compulsory undali, there is exist one triple bond between any two carbons. So here we have first carbon, second, third, fourth. So what about first carbon contains 1, 2, 3 bonds, remaining one bond with one hydrogen. And what about second carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds. So fully satisfied. Then what about third carbon contains how many number of bonds amma? 1, 2. Avuna? So 2 bonds kabatti entandi with respect to 2 hydrogens. And what about fourth carbon? Fourth carbon contains only one bond, remaining 3 with the 3 hydrogens. Okay, every time మనం ఇలా చెక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కూడా. మనం కరెక్ట్ రాస్తున్నామా లేదా అనేది తెలుస్తుంది. 1, 2, 3, 4 కార్బన్స్, హైడ్రోజన్స్ 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 1 plus 3 4 hydrogens and 1, 2, 3 carbons. Here also number of carbons in number 1, 2, C2, and number of hydrogens 1, 2. So total number of carbons equal to 4. So what is the formula? Alkyne, where alk is called root word. So total number of carbons equal to 4. Then what is the root word? But is the root word. So but. Okay. And what is the primary suffix and emantam? Ine. Butane. That is 1-butane. 1-butane is the name of this alkyne. Okay. Sir, we have hydrocarbons which contains hydrogen and carbon only. Which contains hydrogen and carbon only. So they are classified into saturated and unsaturated. Which contains carbon single bond carbon, those are said to be alkanes. Carbon double bond carbon, those are said to be alkenes. Carbon triple bond carbon, which are called alkynes. Okay. Then what is the general formula, sir? CnH2n plus 2 and CnH2n, CnH2n minus 2. సో ఇక్కడ చిన్నగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే వీ కెన్ రైట్ చాలా సింపుల్గా రాయొచ్చు. సో జనరల్గా ఉన్న ఫార్ములా ఫర్ ద ఆల్కేన్స్ ఏంటండి? CnH2n ఇస్ ద ఫార్ములా. సో దీనికి +2 యాడ్ చేస్తే ఆల్కేన్స్, దీని నుంచి -2 చేస్తే అంటే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ హైడ్రోజన్స్, 2 హైడ్రోజన్స్ ఎక్కువగా ఉంటే ఆల్కేన్స్, 2 హైడ్రోజన్స్ తక్కువగా ఉంటే ఆల్కైన్స్గా చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, ఇట్లా మనం సింపుల్గా అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.